You know, we're in that final stretch to get those plans in place for your 4th of July weekend.
That's right. A dish to pass doesn't have to mean hours in the kitchen or stress. Our friends at Family Fare are here to help. Well, it's finally happened. We've been given the green light to have those 4th of July festivities this year. That means we need to have an awesome feast. But it's going to be a grab and go situation because we have yard games to get to, we have socializing to do. So our friends at Family Fare, Brooke, you're going to help us out with that.
Yes, absolutely. We have a plethora of options to share today. We've got a Feta Honey Dip, we've got a shrimp dip, a cannoli dip for that sweet tooth, and then we've got a great marinade to go on top of a flank steak that can just be another grab and go.
I love that. You know, and this is something that you don't have to have a lot of talent when it comes to cooking or anything like that, because this really is mixing things into a bowl for the most part until it gets to the steak, which we'll talk about that in a minute. So let's go ahead with dip number 1.
Yeah, so the first one, we're just gonna mix in, we've got some cream cheese here, and feta, of course, for our feta dip. And then we've got olive oil.
And you can get the cream cheese lower fat and the feta too, for those people who really do care about that.
And then we've got garlic, and we've got chives, pepper, and we're just gonna mix it in. So they say you can use either a blender or do it by hand. So I'm just gonna transfer this into our little dish here.
Or if you have little ones that you need to keep busy, they can stir.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
No knives involved, anything like that. Maybe a little whining involved, but no knives will be involved.
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks amazing.
Yes, so then you just wanna make that a well in the middle. And that is where you're going to put your honey, pistachios, and we've already got our chives. And voila, you've got your dip.
And seafood means me food when we go out to a picnic, that's for sure. I love it. It's so refreshing, and it really appeases to a lot of people when you have a picnic too. So I see you have the tiniest of shrimp there.
Tiny shrimp here. So we're gonna start with a base, which is cream cheese again.
More cream cheese.
Which we love. And then we've got some mayo. Not Miracle Whip, mayo.
Mayo, big difference.
And then we're gonna add in our celery. All of these are just kind of teeny tiny chopped up, just like our shrimp.
Onions.
Onions, green onions, and our itty bitty shrimp.
Those are the cutest little shrimp ever.
Yeah.
So this is just another one that people can do if you are in a hurry. This is great because you can actually go online and shop, right? And they'll have the stuff ready for you here.
Yeah.
And then for this one, this is a dip for anything you'd use, right? Bread or...
We've got breads. We've got a finished product right over here. It's our celery. We've got carrots, and just as you said, you can do little itty bitty toasts or, you know, crackers, whatever suits you.
I love that. I would just eat that right out of the bowl. That's my guilty pleasure right there. Yummy. All right, so we all have a little bit of a sweet tooth, and let me tell you what, I've actually made this dip before. It is a crowd pleaser of all ages. So walk us through what we're gonna make.
So we already have cream cheese in. We're gonna add in some ricotta cheese along with powdered sugar.
So we have that savory and the sweet thing going on. Mm-hmm.
And we've got just a little bit of vanilla and our mini chocolate chips.
Yum.
I'm gonna save just a little bit to add on top.
And then you have a finished product up here, which is so cute. And you can see the consistency really is nice for this one too.
It's super tasty. We've got it paired with some waffle cones and some Nilla wafers.
I never would have thought to chop up the waffle cones like that, but I love that.
It's so cute, isn't it?
Those are great just to grab and go anyway,
too. It is, so perfect.
All right, so we're gonna go and focus on Mr. Steak right there, and you're gonna give me some work to do in the kitchen. So we're gonna make a rub. And I said, well, how do you stir this? And you said you don't, you throw it in a bag.
Yeah, just a dump.
Okay,
we love that.
What do I need? Everything I see here?
Everything you see here.
Okay,
so
I have
soy sauce, bourbon, half a cup.
Brown sugar.
A cup of brown sugar.
Marmalade?
Some marmalade.
Look at me. Ooh, this is already so pretty.
Tasty.
All right, ooh.
Garlic and red pepper.
Yum.
And some,
you might need to stop and grab some gum on the way out too, by the way, because we're adding green onions, right? All right, so we have...
And then you just want to squeeze in the orange there, and then you just plop it in. And then you just put in your flank steak, and then you just let it marinate overnight.
Okay.
Put it on a hot grill, about 450 degrees.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Overnight, you guys, is the big thing if you really want that full
Yes.
flavor. But if you're traveling too, this is great because you could leave the steak right in there in the bag
Yep.
while you travel and, you know, clean up is easy.
Perfect.
Look at that. And then in the end, this is
And
what
then
we
again,
have.
we've got the grab and go. Just grab your little piece of steak, go back to cornhole, and you're good to go.
Okay, so what if you get that last minute invitation, or what if being in the kitchen scares you altogether?
Yeah.
Family Fare has you covered, right?
We've got some quick and easy things to pick up in the deli. We've got our great open acre salsas, or just like the Mexicali dips, the artichoke dip. All fantastic too.
Awesome. And then gift cards. Maybe if you were going to someone's house and they're hosting, you want to
Yep.
bring something nice?
You want to delight them. We're having a special. If you buy $50 in any of our gift cards, you'll get $10 off immediately in that same transaction.
Wonderful. Or just think ahead to Christmas time. You got
Yeah.
something to put away, right?
Exactly.
All right. Once again, we want to thank our friends at Family Fare. We're
Yep.
going to have an awesome 4th of July. Eat up, everybody.
Yep. And you can get any of these recipes at shopfamilyfare.com.
That dip, that
Yeah.
cookie. We've had the cookie
The first dip?
before. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to make that too.
And once again, you can find all these recipes and more, as she said, at shopfamilyfare.com.